Hello, good day. I am Joanna and I am in village Katselovo near Ruse. And today I'd like to present to you that a big strong property built from stone, bricks, still in good condition roof and concrete floors. That property has a really big frontage and a huge barn, which is probably 17-18 meter long. The property is sitting on a corner on two roads. I can show you. The garden is really grassy at the moment. And the garden is very grassy, is higher the grass of my size, and I will try to show you. Here has some view from the hills. The property has, how I told you, a really big barn. It will take me a while till I passed all this, but it's good to can show you. The road access is good to this property. Here you have a neighbor who is busy unloading something from his lorry. And take a look. It's really big. The garden is 2,200 square meter, and you can see a little bit of the views there with the hill and the rocks. Have a fan in the village, it's nice. Добър ден! So nice neighbors. I'm going back into the property to be able to show you. I like to apologize because the house inside is really messy. No one cleaning, and I look like in a house have so many junk and stored stuff from 3 houses maybe. I hope the owner clean it to be able to present better, and I will come to take another pictures, but this is at the moment. The village is awake, have a kids, have a few shops, little bar area even. I'm gonna show you now inside. Have a lovely shadow of grapes. Here sitting the water meter. Look at it's shame. It's shame because it's been left and long and no one maintained it from a very long time. But the house have a really nice character, and you will see it in a minute. Nice big sink. It's really shame this nice property been left in this state. Have a nice charming features. Here you can see it have a concrete path all the way to the barn, but the garden is higher of my size and I'm not able to reach there. You have really features stairs. Half of them are stone, full stone piece of stair, and the second half is wooden staircase. And here on the side you have a summer kitchen, which we're going to see in a minute. Have a glazing corridor with, this is the stairs upstairs, the wooden one, nice big stones. Apologize one more time for the state of the property, but it's really messy. We have here a nice large white corridor and 3 rooms. One of them is created for a bathroom. You have a kitchen over here, really messy. But look at the garden and the grass. This is the back of the summer kitchen. Have a nice chimney built there. Excuse me. You got water and electric into the property. Really messy. The ceilings are old wooden one. The doors are wood, windows too. Here you have a look on the side of the street. In each room have a chimney access for heating. This is the third last room on this floor. The window look at on the side of the street again. Very messy. Lots of rubbish and junk. And upstairs is same. Again, I apologize. The house is nice and strong, but you need to clean and tidy lots inside. This is a old bathroom without toilet, only bathroom. Need to be totally renovate and create a new toilet inside, which is easy to create. I will bring you now upstairs so you can see it. The rest of the property. I'm gonna show you upstairs. Have a really nice charming balcony, which you can't see it because they create a shadow for the outside sitting area. And this is the summer kitchen. Going to see these beautiful pieces of stone. Are really beautiful. The rest of the staircase is wood with a decoration parapet. The roofs in are a really big, thick woods. This is the little balcony on the side. And this is the garden, but it's hard to show you because it's very grassy. There is the barn, and there is a beautiful views. I bring you upstairs. Upstairs is exactly same. Lots of junk. Many. Here I have a baggage stored from probably 3 houses for some reason. You have again very nice large corridor. Charming small balcony with nice big beams. You can see the view over there. And here is that barn, which I can access. I bring you to see the floor now. How we say, it's a nice long corridor with 3 rooms. This is the worst one, regular junk. You cannot see it. It's full with many rubbish. Kept it with years over here. That room, look at one window on the side to the garden, the other one on the side of the street. One more time, I apologize for the state of the property. This what is nice, the corridor is big and you can create a bathroom and a toilet. Here you can see the beams. It's a nice and strong. Part of the view, the garden going there down. The rooms are nice big sizes with high ceilings, and don't forget the floors are concrete. We have the last room upstairs. Again, is full with lots of junk. Go to try to open the Joy building with the summer kitchen, and I will show to you. I'm going to show you the Joy building. The Joy building have only one room, which was a summer kitchen, but look like been not used from 1,000 years because inside is full with junks again. Have a sink there and lots of tools and jars and other stuff. There is a sink, hardly to find, but it's a sink here. Shame. the property look like can become a nice treasure for someone who like to spend a time. I really need lots of time to rid of all that junk. That was from me for today. Have a good day.